Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I'm going to do another one of my Bloom+Lace effect technique flowers. So 2 different kinds of resin, 2 different techniques, 1 awesome coaster. My resin is at 91 degrees, or it was when I checked it out. Why is this being a pain in the butt? Let me try this again. Give it a little mix. Yeah, see? 91, 92. Perfect. And I'm gonna take just a little itty bitty bit of this. This resin is the regular NicPro. It's a 1-to-1 resin. Obviously, I let it get up to 91, 92 degrees, as you saw there. I am just decanting, it says 6 grams. 6 grams of resin into that little pot. What am I looking for? And I'm gonna use Julie's Bloom paste in here. I'm gonna put 1 drop in. Normally you would put in 1 drop for every 10 grams. I'm gonna try and make this a little bit heavier, but not too heavy. So I just want a little drop. That's it, little drop. And I'm gonna do a bloom. Go figure. And for the bloom with this one, I'm gonna try and keep that center flower pretty contained, which is why I only mixed up a little itty bitty bit of this white. So I'm gonna get that mixing. And with this, I'm gonna dump the rest in here. So I mixed up a total of 50 grams of resin. I just let it do its thing. I stuck it in my awesome Let's Resin debubble machine. And for about 6 minutes. And then I took it out and just let it sit and do its thing to get warmed up. The combining of 2 different resin flower techniques came to me because I didn't really like putting a center into the middle of the lace technique, and I thought, wouldn't it look cool if I did 1 layer with a small bloom and then had the lace technique on top? And it's gone viral. How cool is that? This is really bright and this is muted. So I hauled out all my reds to see what I wanted to do. That's this one, and that is this one, even though it says fluorescent red and primary red. Whew. All right, what do I want? I think I'm gonna do this first. 1. And it will go orange. And 1. That's pretty good. Starting to thicken up. So I am going to start piping. That's it. There's not too much left. And now we wait. Except for stirring that middle. All right. I'm gonna leave those. Not too much. That's it. We're back with part 2. And I gotta hurry up because my resin got hot fast. So I'm dipping my stick in to the piggy paste, High Tide Piggy paste that I've been using. And I'm gonna take maybe a little less because I decided after the last one that I did that I'm gonna use less to go around the edge of my mold. So I should probably put just a tiny bit less of the pigment paste in. Okay, so I did get a lot of it off. I'm gonna wipe off my stick. And now let's see. Yep. Looking good, I think. All right, let's get to it. So I'm gonna have to be careful to just pipe a little bit. Little, Kim, little. There, I'm getting better, I think. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Feeling pretty good about that. Okay, and now we're gonna dump this. So in my hurry, I think I neglected to tell you that I mixed up 90 grams of the NicPro resin. I decided that seeing as how I was working in grams for just about everything else, I might as well convert my ounces to grams and just keep everything in the grams. So that means I put 54 grams of A in and 34 grams of B for a total of 90 grams. All right, let's drop the inks. Bright fluorescent red, primary red. I think I'm gonna do the primary red here. And I'm doing it far back. And I'm gonna do the fluorescent in between. What was that one? Yeah, fluorescent red in between. And we'll do 3 drops in the middle. told you it would look orange. And then we just wait. And that's it. I'm gonna put you on a little bit of a time lapse. Look at this. Look how pretty even the backside looks. All that. A little bit of veining, not as much as before though, so now I'm wondering, but I love how that color has spread. All right, let's see. Let's see. Wondering if I made the pigment paste dark enough, heavy enough, opaque enough. Wait, black card. Okay, black card. Ready? Oh, it's still really pretty. So I didn't make it heavy enough for those pigments to drop down, except for that one little area there. But otherwise, this looks fantastic. Oh, look at it. Yay! It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, so what we should be getting is a little bit more of these, kind of dropping down to create more of that 3D effect. Little blobbies. So yeah, but having the decreased amount of the white resin mix worked well, because I didn't have that white come in as far. So the petals, these petals can be seen better from this side. Oh, I love that. I love it, love it, love it. Yep, pretty darn awesome, pretty darn awesome. I love kind of how 3D-ish these areas look. Like it looks concave, right in that very center. Oh, I love it. Yeah. These are fascinating, aren't they? The resin is so freaking wild. I mean, look what it does. You just pour it in, add some ink, add some white, and you get this. That's just crazy to me. Anyway, all right. I'm obviously gonna keep playing because resin is awesome. All right, thank you for joining me on this journey of artistic endeavors. And if you're new here, please subscribe. We'd love to have you come back and visit. And thank you to all my existing viewers and subscribers. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye.